Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today is my Friday night. It's technically a Saturday, but I have Sunday, Mondays off, so it's my Friday, and I wanted to just play with colors and do something really creative and have like a makeup therapy playtime session. And I thought it might be fun if I took you guys along, so let's jump in. So I took my eye makeup off, but I still have my face makeup on from this morning and my mascara. If you want to see my work makeup and how I did this base makeup today, I should have a get ready with me for work live. I'll try and link it up here. I am out of my favorite eye primer, so I'm just using the Longwear Shadow Stick in Vanilla from Bobbi Brown because I just love the consistency of a shadow stick as a base. Some people have like margaritas on Friday night. This is it for me. I really want to do something like bold and blue and green, and I feel like I'm gonna just pull out every single Blend Bunny palette, but let's start with the blends, and I'm gonna go and do Chance right here on this little blending brush. It has honestly been a minute since I've done a really colorful, creative look, so I'm really excited to just let my creativity out tonight. It's just those spoons, man. I'm always running out of them. On the edge of that, I'm gonna take Bubble Bath right here. Oh, this brush is too big, too big. Okay, so I'm just stamping Bubble Bath on the edge and then blending them together. Okay, I'm just taking a clean brush and kind of going around the edges of Bubble Bath and softening those up. And then taking Chance, just bringing it back a little bit. And this brush has no additional product, just really trying to mesh things together. Definitely gonna have to do some cleanup down below. I think I want to go into the Primal palette and go into Toxin. Put that on the inner half of the crease. Okay, so now that I've got that bright green crease, I think I actually want to bring it a little bit on the lid as well. And then take a kind of tealy color, 32, to blend in between. Really marry everything together in the center. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the product that, or the brush that had no product on it, and run over the edges. Okay, I'm just cleaning up the outer edges that got a little bit messy. Bring a little bit of that Bubble Bath back, a little bit brighter. Ooh, it's looking so pretty. And I recently got the Ninhydrin palette. Has a bunch of cool, really shifty shades from ADEPT. And I'm trying to like look at the shifts and see what would be really cool here. And I feel like I definitely want AC22, at least in the inner half. So I'm gonna take shader brush, wet it. Oh, bitch. Okay, I just put that pretty much in the center. A little towards the inner corner, but leaving a blank spot, and oh, Jiminy crickets, that is gorgeous. I feel like I'm gonna start drooling. It's so beautiful. And then I feel like on the outer corner, let's see, I think I want this one, ACI 20. Spraying that, just using that to blend in to the matte color on the outer corner, not taking it super far. And I'm just gonna take nothing else on this brush but what was already on it and touch it to really blend everything. And then I think I'm gonna take ACI 25 on a smaller brush to do the inner corner. That is so pretty. But we're gonna do more. We're gonna do more. This is gonna be a lot. Before I do any of my embellishments, I'm just gonna throw this LA Girl Pastel Dreamliner on the waterline. Then I'm gonna take the colors in my crease just down on the lower lash line. Taking Luna from the Primal palette. It's a very pastel green, and I'm just doing a matte inner corner just because. I brought all these gems. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing, but my shirt is pearls, so I feel like I want to add a bunch of pearlies and rhinestones. We'll just dot some glue and start sticking. Okay, that's looking pretty. We gotta really get a lot going on here though. Let's stick another big pearl right there. Oh my god. I got these special tweezers because they're supposed to like not drop rhinestones, but they're fucking driving me nuts because they keep flinging the rhinestones fucking everywhere, like shooting them like bullets. This takes a lot. I may have bitten off more than I can chew trying to circle it around the whole outer V. Plus it's getting hot in here, dang. Okay, let's go for a blue one of these bad boys. I think that's pretty. Can I do that on the other eye though, is the question. Plus I feel like I should have something like on the inner corner. Oh gosh. Bit off too much, Rachel. Okay, so that's the inner area, and I think that looks really cute. I'm gonna go off camera because my camera is overheating and finish the gems on the other eye. I just put some lashes on, which feels really weird when I haven't worn lashes in forever, and I have the gems on both sides. I'm feeling like a mermaid. I think I need a mermaid highlighter. This is Bitter Lace Beauty. It's one of their single highlighters in Aura Quartz, and it's like a pastel rainbow shimmery thing. Just swirl the whole rainbow together. Oh yeah, this is what we needed. Okay, I'm gonna spritz myself because I'm fucking hot. And to melt that highlighter in. And we're gonna do a lip. Let's do a fun artistic lip. Okay, we're gonna try this combo. I have Nude Truffle from NYX and from Sephora Lip Stories Ouch. Okay, Ouch is a metal and it's like this turquoisey color, which looks interesting on a nude lip liner. I obviously don't have a lip liner this color, otherwise I would use it. I'm gonna sheer it out by blending my lips together and intensify it in the center. pat it out with my fingers. This is the finished look. I feel like a super glam mermaid. This lash keeps popping up though, but it's definitely something unique to me that I've never done before exactly. And I had a lot of fun exploring and playing tonight, and I hope you guys enjoyed doing that along with me. Let me know if this is something that you would like to see more of in the future. I'd be happy to do that for you. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!